Hello ASMR friends, Jonathan Briefcase here. We're on location. We're in Santa Monica. Not going to therapy today, but because it's Tuesday. But I am meeting an old friend from Germany, and we're having dinner. And it's a rainy day here, but it's a very nice day to meet with friends one hasn't seen. I haven't seen this friend in a couple of years. And in any event, uploads. My next full episode should be on Saturday. Today's Tuesday, so sorry for the prolonged wait on the uploads, but it's been a little busy around here, but busy is good sometimes. Hope you're well, and look forward to catching up with all of you, and shout outs and the usual shenanigans when I see you, God willing, on Saturday. Until then, enjoy your day, and I'll enjoy the rain here. It's a wonderful thing for Southern California. I'll see you soon, okay? Just checking in.